Greetings, Chocoholics! This is the video tutorial for the Key Lime Chocolates recipe. This recipe is pretty straightforward and simple. By now, you should have a pretty good handle on chocolate tempering, decorating your molds, and shelling your chocolates. If you haven't watched the videos yet, please do so on our YouTube channel. Following the recipe, gather all the ingredients. I suggest juicing and zesting your limes before gathering everything together. When zesting the lime, try to make sure you're getting just the green skin and not the white pith as well. For the equipment, you'll need a digital scale, a medium sauce pot, a wire whip, a second bowl, pot, or container, and a couple of spatulas. We need to measure out all our ingredients. Into the pot, measure out the cream, lime juice, corn syrup, and honey. In another container, measure out the white chocolate and set it aside. Separately, measure out the butter and cocoa butter and set them aside. Now that we've got all our ingredients measured, let's start cooking. Cook the cream mixture on a medium heat until it just starts boiling. Don't worry that the cream looks curdled. It'll come together once it starts boiling. Once it just reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and immediately pour it over the white chocolate. Let the hot mixture sit for about 1 minute to allow it to soften and melt the chocolate. Using a wire whip, gently stir and combine the cream mixture with the chocolate until smooth. Once combined, let the ganache cool to around 100 degrees. Using an immersion blender, slowly add the butter and cocoa butter. Add the green cocoa butter at this time as well. Don't use much, as a little goes a long way. Continue with the immersion blender until everything is fully combined and it's shiny and smooth. Gently stir in the desired amount of lime zest. Immediately pour the ganache into a large piping bag. Twist the top, being sure to let out as much air as possible, then tie it off. To cool the ganache, roll the ganache-filled pastry bag on a cool surface and knead it to help dissipate the heat. Let the ganache cool to 88 degrees before using. Following the instructions in our filling, capping, and unmolding video on YouTube, fill your chocolate shells with the lime ganache and let it set overnight. The ganache should not stick to your fingers when it's time to seal the bonbons. Once sealed, let the chocolates fully contract from the mold and then turn them out. Congratulations! You now know how to make key lime chocolates. Feel free to watch this video over and over again as you follow the recipe from the Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club. We'll see you again next month, and in the meantime, I hope you have a sweet day.